Hi, this is Scott with Airmax, here to introduce the SolarSeries Fountain. Airmax, with over 20 years of industry and field experience, delivers state-of-the-art, innovative fountain designs. The Airmax SolarSeries Fountain is ideal for customers looking for an alternative energy option or for those who have a remote pond with no access to electric power. Decorative aerating fountains add show-stopping visuals to your pond. In addition, fountains add the tranquil sound of falling water and provide aeration for ponds up to 6 feet deep. The SolarSeries Fountain is best suited for ponds up to 1/2 acre. While the fountain produces maximum pattern size in full sunlight, the unique ability of the Airmax Energy Saver motor still allows for a crisp pattern even in low light conditions. However, the pattern height and width will vary depending on cloud cover and sunlight intensity. Let's take a closer look at the innovative features that make the SolarSeries Fountain the industry leader when it comes to performance, efficiency, ease of installation, and maintenance. The SolarSeries Fountain features 4 American-made high-output solar panels that provide direct drive power to an Energy Saver direct drive submersible Airmax fountain motor. This Energy Saver motor produces daytime displays for up to 12 hours per day, even in low light and cloudy conditions. Our exclusive Easy Mount system comes pre-assembled for simple installation. Made from powder-coated military-grade aluminum, the Easy Mount system is corrosion-resistant, strong, and lightweight. The fountain has a 34-inch float and is powered by a continuous-duty, water-cooled Energy Saver motor, with low annual maintenance costs and no oil, seals, or bearings to change. The fountain features a bottom draw design that pulls water from deeper in the pond, allowing for greater water circulation and aeration. Airmax fountains are engineered with a quick change nozzle design, allowing you to change the look of your water feature quickly and easily, with no tools required. Each SolarSeries fountain includes 3 industry-leading spray pattern nozzles, with additional premium nozzles available. The SolarSeries is the most effective solar fountain on the market, producing unrivaled performance. Best of all, once it's installed, your SolarSeries fountain will be powered with 100% renewable energy and 0 operating costs. All Airmax fountains are proudly made in the USA. Our products are backed by an industry-leading warranty with expert customer service and technical support. Want to learn more about Airmax fountains or any Airmax product? Contact your Airmax authorized dealer or visit us online at airmaxeco.com.